So hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about two different off-campus drives 2023. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various off-campus and about various off-campus preparation guides and how to prepare for various IT companies like TCS, Mphasis, Wipro and Accenture, IBM, so and so. And also we are uploading videos related to the various technologies and also programming languages and like data science, machine learning and the SQL and all. So you can subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various things. And also you can get free mock interview facility as well. You can drop your resume and also interview details and all, so we'll reach out to you based on our availability and we'll find a slot for you. So now let's discuss. So first one is the Mphasis off-campus drive. So they are hiring for the trainee customer support position or the profile, and experience needed is 0 years, and location they are hiring for Bangalore. So this is the Naukri portal. So I came across this position, so thought if the people those who are interested to build their career in the support field, then they can apply for this position. So now let's discuss about this about the eligibility criteria and all. So 2023 and 2022 year of pass out or the batch candidates are eligible with electronics and ECE and the computer science background, or that triple E or double E candidates are eligible. With BE BTech and BE BTech graduate candidates are not eligible, right? And skills required is the good communication skill and the written skill, and also the first one is the verbal round. So and the typing speed is needed 30 to 35 words per minute with 90% plus accuracy, and it is a rotational shift, so you have to work accordingly. And salary, if you ask me, it's 2.5 to 2.8 LPA for this position, and other facilities also you can get based on this based on their whatever they are providing. And in the HR is the via this one, so you can reach out to this person through the LinkedIn or any other social media profile if he or she is available. So so this is the position. So if you are willing to apply, simply you can click on the login to apply. So I have not connected through my profile naukri.com, so that's why I'm not able to apply. But yes, if you are interested, just simply click on the apply, then it will be automatically applied for this position. So then coming to the second position, so this is for the Unisys off-campus drive, and they are hiring for the service desk associate fresher, and again it's a international voice support position, and the location they are hiring for the Hyderabad Telangana position. And it's a full-time job obviously, and if you see, the requirements are both same for this position, requirement and skills or expertise. Here a little bit different, it is excellent verbal and written communication, and here they need a good knowledge on the MS Office applications like Word, Excel, Outlook and all, and also excellent judgmental skill to be able to properly evaluate the situation and act immediately on the or provide immediate solutions within the predefined SLA, right? And minimum education required is the non-engineering graduates or any other engineering graduates with from 2021 or 2022 batch, and educational training or and also you must be having any qualification or any training on the IT or the any other level of skills you must be having, and you must be willing to work 24/7 shift. That means it's a rotational shift, you have to work on the night shift as well. So if you are interested, then simply click on the apply now, you'll be able to apply. So it will be asking you to provide all the basic details like your your details and the updated resume and all. So first if you don't have any account, so it may ask you more details, so you have to fill up all the details, then you will be able to apply. So there are 4 steps. So first you have to attach your updated resume, upload your updated resume. You need to provide all the details like phone number and how did you hear and all. So once you click on the next, then you have to provide your work experience and also application related questions, then the voluntary disclosure, and then review. So it's like it's a little bit time taking process, so that's why I'm not doing going through all the steps, but it's like easy process. You just need to follow the instruction, and you need to only fill up the mandatory fields, no need to fill up all the details like non-mandatory fields. It will take some time. So I'll be sharing this link in the description of this video or in the comment section, so that you can apply for these positions if you're interested. And for other IT or like off campus, or if you are willing to apply for other various off campus, then you can go to our Telegram channel. There also you can look, search various companies and you can apply. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.